Replacing a catalytic converter can sometimes result in a smell, particularly right after the installation. Why? When a new catalytic converter is installed, it may have a temporary odor caused by protective coatings and manufacturing processes. These residues get burned off once the converter reaches operating temperature, which can emit a noticeable smell. This is usually a temporary condition and should go away after you've driven the car for a bit. If the smell persists beyond this initial break-in period, it could be due to a few other factors. Burning off contaminants. If any oil, grease, or coolant has gotten onto the new catalytic converter during the installation or from a leak, it will burn off when the converter heats up, creating a smell. Exhaust leaks. Ensure that all the connections and seals around the catalytic converter are tight and secure. An exhaust leak can lead to unusual smells and also affect vehicle performance. Fuel mixture problems. If your car is running too rich, too much fuel and not enough air, it can overload the catalytic converter with unburned fuel, causing it to emit a rotten egg smell, which is actually sulfur. This is an indication that the engine might need a tune-up or that sensors need to be checked. If the smell doesn't dissipate after a little while, or if you suspect any of these other issues, it's a good idea to have your vehicle checked by a professional mechanic to ensure there aren't any lingering problems. In any case, just keep an eye or nose on it to make sure the smell clears up as your new converter settles in.